Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you Instagram filter search option not showing. Now I'm showing a very simple method step by step, so follow my whole process very carefully. First of all, tap onto plus icon, select the story option, swipe left to right side. Now this is my account showing here to the search option, but some account not showing to this option. So don't worry, you need to just follow the two method. Method number one, you need to update your Instagram account. You can easily update your Instagram apps from Play Store or App Store. And method number two, open up Instagram, click onto profile, tap onto three line at the bottom right corner, scroll down, click onto help option, report a problem, select on, and here you can explain your problem. And then finally click on to send. Then you can need to somehow waiting, then Instagram team automatically resolve this problem. So that's how we can easily fix this problem. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.